Hello everybody, I'm Sophie. Now I invited one of our engineer, Mr. Yang, to tell us how to install A100 model into the door. So now let's begin. Okay.
是一张测试条的测试条松件。
First, we need to loosen the lock body testing strip. 干嘛呢？这个？我要把电池换了。Take out the battery box also. Yes, insert the lock body into the door. And then tie these two screws for the lock body. 因为我抓的，现在也是一个人扛，对吧？
可不可以剪切把这视频剪切的更短？
啊？
把视频剪切的更短。
不要说废话。哦。
然后加电池。
Yes, install the batteries. Please pay attention to the direction of positive and negative direction of batteries. And then insert the batteries. And then install the long testing strip. Tie the testing strip with the lock body together on the door. Here have 3 screws. So for the lock body, for the thickness arrow have 5 screws together. Yes, now the second step is to install the lock cylinder. 你最好是要拍到它能放进去的。Yes, first install the front of the lock cylinder and then use a screw to tie the lock cylinder strongly and firmly. This is the one in the door. Maybe. 还有几颗螺丝啊？这里面。
Okay.
Together have 2 screws to tie the lock cylinder with the lock body together. And now we need to install the shaft. 那个点不用注意吗？
需要注意这个点的方向。
Yeah, here must make this point face to the latch. Here you can see have a point on the lock body here and must face to here, face to the latch. And then install the shaft on the upper for the panels. 然后呢？上前面吧。Then collect in the front panel data port line with other parts from the lock body. Adjust the panel place. And then install the back panel. Adjust the back panel place. Use your hand to hold these 2 panels. And pay attention. Here, engineer.
分丝卡住了。
Yeah, it's testing. So here, in this step, it's very important to adjust the whole things. Just tie 4 screws on the back panel.这个位置还要调一下的吧？对吧？不需要调吗？
是断平行就行了。
Yes, please make sure your 2 panels must be in a parallel line. 可以了吗？完了吗？
稍等一下，
哪里要注意啊？哎呦，哪里要注意？
基本上没什么注意，他看应该知道。
他要是请对了安装工人就好了，就是怕。Yes, last step, please also adjust. Yes, adjust these screws better for the smooth the lock body. Yes, this is a double lock button. Now it is smooth.
行了。
Yes, we already finished install the lock on the door, and later you can ask your worker to swipe BENDERLY project card on it to test whether this lock will open or not. If any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks and bye bye.